On 18 February, India's permanent representative to United Nations, P. Harish, has highlighted 7 points representing India's position on UN reforms. First, India has been consistent, categorical, and a major voice with regard to underscoring the need for reforms. Second, original structures and frameworks of the United Nations represent a different period in history. The world has transformed and the United Nations needs to change with the time. It has to be reflective of the current global order rather than 1945. Third, addressing the historical injustice to Africa has to be a central element of the reforms. India has always been supportive of the common African position. Fourth, the global south cannot continue to be short-changed. India and major players in other parts of the world deserve their due representation in the structures of United Nations. As regards Security Council, this translates to permanent category membership. Fifth, three fundamental principles are essential to the success of UN Security Council reforms: increase in membership of both permanent and non-permanent categories, commencement of text-based negotiations, and linking ambitious timelines with concrete outcomes. Sixth, those opposed to expansion of permanent category are status quoists with a narrow focus. Their approach is non-progressive in nature. This can no longer be accepted. Finally, beyond the Security Council, the preeminent position of the United Nations General Assembly as the primary policy-making and representative organ of the United Nations is to be respected, both in letter and spirit. If you like the content, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.